What's up? What's up? It's your man Jimmy Chan. All right. So I have this equation that I have to solve for f sub 2. So let me go ahead and make f sub 2 red to kind of stand out a little bit. And I don't think I need that long of a division sign there, okay? So I gotta get that all by itself, okay? So what tends to happen is that as students, you guys look at this and just hit freak out. That also starts with F. And then you just say, I give up. The fact of the matter is that if you look at this, is this a fraction? Yes, it is. It's a weird looking fraction. I'm scared of that looking fraction. I understand that. Is there an equal sign? There is. Okay, so isn't this just a rational equation? Just like what we've done, other rational equations we've done before? Okay, so let me go ahead and duplicate this. And why did I duplicate this is because I'm going to put the f over 1, okay? So, what I would do is say, okay, bring in the sisters. What is 1 missing? Well, you're going to say, well, 1 is missing f1 plus f2, right? That's what you're going to say. And I'm going to be like, you're right. But don't forget, if you multiply the bottom by it, you better multiply the top by it. What is the f1 plus f2 missing? Absolutely nothing. So if I look at the denominator, does this denominator have f1 plus f2? Yes. Does this denominator have f1 plus f2? And you're going to say yes as well. So great. So since the denominator is the same, that means the numerator must be the same. So what I have here is f times f1 plus f2 is equal to f1 times f2. Okay? Great. So let's go ahead and just distribute all of this on the left side, because again, you look at this and you're like, okay, I'm still scared. I still don't know what to think. All right, so let's go ahead and distribute just to see what we get. I go, okay, so f1 plus f2 is equal to f1 f2. All right. So I notice that now I have individual terms, and 2 of those terms have f2s and they're on opposite sides. So why not get them all on the same side, right? So would that be, so I have my f's are starting to get funky looking. So don't I have f1 is equal to f1 f2 minus f2. So I just took this and subtracted over to the other side. Oh, look at what I have here now. I have a GCF, don't I? All right, so if I have a GCF, I can factor it out. So over here on the right, I have f sub 2, and I'm left with f1 minus f. And on the other side, it's going to be f1. So how do I get f2 by itself? You're absolutely right. Divide both sides by f1 minus f. So you're telling me that f2 is going to equal to, is going to equal to f1 divided by f1 minus f. And you're absolutely right. And ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be a certain choice D. Oopsies. It's going to be choice D, and there you go. Well, I hope that helps. If there's any questions, please let me know. Talk to you later. See ya.